Okay, I'm going to try something new today. Well, something I haven't done. Show you. I have this moped. Now, I've done a bunch of videos on it. Haven't made them up yet, but I put a mod in it. Got this about 20 years ago. Never ridden it. Thought, why not? I'm old enough now, I don't care how silly I look. So I thought I'd put it in. So I stripped it up a bit because I'm I have a big butt, so it has a lot of work to move my ass around. So put a bigger carburetor and a tube pipe. Look at the other side here. Nice little tube pipe from Argentina, and what's a Polini kit, 76cc Polini kit. So I've got the pipe on, got it set up, it runs. Take it for a little drive. Just test it out because I had to readjust some stuff with the brakes. It's a funny little beastie. I've actually added, you see the front forks, those are off a Suzuki K10. I didn't like the original suspension, it was kind of just a pogo stick. So this one here's got hydraulic shocks, and damping is quite nice. So let's see if we can get this beastie to run. She's sometimes a little cranky, but I had it running earlier, so it should start right up. We'll see. Let's see. Oh, come on, you're trying. Oh, it's going to take the choke. Hang on. Just going to take the choke. What do we got here? There's the choke. It's hard to get to. That's why I don't generally use it. Stupid carb's got it in a bad spot. Okay, let's see. Well, I've run for a minute. Now take the choke off. Find where it is. You hear what I mean about the muffler? There we go, dearie do. There we go. Well, I just drove right by the police. And they didn't even bat an eyelid at me. Just see what they would do. Nothing. It's just, I don't know how many actual licensed mopeds they've ever seen in their lives. They've seen 100 million of them that aren't. Okay, I'll just roll up behind here for easier now, rather than messing everything up there. There we go, okay.